everyone, my name is Zoe and welcome back to the channel. So welcome also to my car. We are going to be doing a nature vlog. Woo! So right now we're here at Sanderson Brook Falls, which is in Chester, Massachusetts. And we're just gonna take a little hike up. I usually have someone with me. I do suggest hiking and going into the woods. You don't go alone, but this is a very easy trail and a lot of people do hike on this trail, so I'm not gonna really be too alone. Yeah, let's just get going. You can see all the bugs. They're like swarming my face and the camera. We're going through a tiny drought right now. Anyways, I'm gonna keep walking and I'll tune you guys back in when something pretty or interesting happens, and there's a bug anyway, so yeah. And there over there is like a sign that just says like a map and like the rules and stuff. Those stairs are new. I don't know, it's the H. Newman Marsh Trail. I never walked up that trail before, but we're going to the waterfall, so maybe we'll do that another time. I just put a filter on to make the colors more vibrant. I think it looks better. It looks more magical and whatnot. I love finding natural made archways like this. I believe there's fairy lore that natural made archways like this are also portals into the fairy realm. I'm sorry if you can hear me breathing. My stamina is very low, and that's actually why I've been hiking a lot more. Because I need to work it up for when I start working at Six Flags Fright Fest again. Again, sorry that I'm out of breath. I'm working on my lungs. They are very weak and pathetic. And my heart as well. They don't know what exercise is and they never have. So we're trying to train them a little bit. There's so many bugs. If you see me swatting around like that, it's just me trying to get a bug off the lens. Sorry. If you like this vlog and you like waterfalls and stuff like that, please leave a like. Make sure to do some other ones, some better ones. This is a very, very small waterfall, but there are others in the area that are much, much bigger and more exciting. So let me know if you want to see that. here's the bridge. It has no railings. Always exciting. This is new. It's crushing the side of the bridge, as you can obviously see. I want to try doing more nature vlogs, as well as I want to explore abandoned places. I also want to try to do some ghost hunting and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys are interested in the comments below. This is cool. This is a uprooted tree. This has been here for a while, but it's really, really cool. I love seeing rock formations. I see a bee shaking his butt. You guys got to see this. So we made it to the waterfall. Just kidding. But it is down this little path over here. I don't know if there's going to be any people here. A lot of people like to go swimming. There's kind of like a water hole near the top of the waterfall. Alright, so it's right around this tree. And there it is! Like I said, we've been going through kind of a drought. It's just a trickle right now. It's usually coming down pretty hard. I always like this too. I thought that was cool. It's like a railroad going into nothing. Not a railroad, you know what I mean. A bridge. Rotten log. Ah! Let's get over there. Whenever I go out into nature, I try to find a stone or a stick or a leaf that resonates with me. And I found this rock that looks like a pipe. Oh, holy shit. Dude, I'm glad I wasn't there. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see that? Oh, holy shit. Oh, holy shit. Oh, holy shit. obviously you did, but dude, that branch just fell from that tree and holy, or that tree just broke in half. What the? Okay, okay. That's scared the crap out of me. This little cave is probably one of my favorite parts. I never go in it because the water's always too deep. And I'm scared there might be snakes hiding in there. So here's the pool where people usually swim, and we're pretty much at the top. I can't get all the way up there. I've gotten over here before, but I don't really want to try. I did it for you, YouTube, and only you, YouTube. I'm up here. I climbed up the little tiny ledge. I just didn't want to climb it because I'm gonna be a little bitch trying to climb back down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it brought a little bit of peace and magic and whatever into your life. Sorry about all the bugs. I know they're annoying. I hate them as well. And I'm sorry that the waterfall wasn't that big and grand. But next time we'll go on a better adventure, and our adventures will just keep getting better and better. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.